Hello friends, wish you all a very happy Vijayadashmi and I hope that all your dreams come true. Yesterday I received a call from a candidate saying that looking at my videos, he said that he has gone to SSB without any preparation and he got not recommended. Now, is that the right way to approach? Today we will see what is the difference between being prepared and preparing yourself. I will give you an example here. Suppose you want to go for a cooking competition. You go there with a ready-made sabzi, paneer butter masala taken from a restaurant and try to present it there. Will it be accepted? No, because it's a cooking competition where you have to prepare that. So what should you do? You must first try to get the menu down, understand how you should do it, and then go there and perform. Same thing happens in SSB. What you try to do is, just because you know the questions, you try to prepare the answers for the questions at home. So you mug up the replies and try to go and present it there, which will never succeed. Because there what is required is you should be aware about yourself. So you should be preparing yourself by looking at your entire life that you have led till now. From childhood till now, what all you have done in your life, what all incidents and events that has happened in your life. How many percentage of marks you have scored. If you go there and tell the interviewing officer that, sir, I have not prepared, so I am not aware about anything. In case you want individual interviews and a deep learning session, do message me on 7088993444. There was a candidate who had come to me who said, when I asked that, tell me, what do your friends think about you? He said, sir, I am not very sure, sir, I don't know. Okay, what advices do your father give you? No, sir, he generally tells me be a good person. Okay, tell me, what are the various adventurous things you have done? Sir, I don't remember. I had gone for a movie with my friends. If you are giving such replies where you are not even aware about what all you have done, okay, though in his PIQ he had written quite a few things. Maybe, I don't know, the PIQ is wrong, or at that time when he was speaking to me, he has really not introspected himself that what he has done in his life. This is the mistake what most of the candidates who go unprepared do. Unprepared does not mean that you should not reflect upon yourself, you should not be aware about yourself. Think about what all things you have done in your life. If you have done some good things, again remember those good things that you have done. Similarly, if you have done some bad things, think about those and what you have done to ensure that you did not repeat that. There is nothing that you should lie. You must talk about everything that you have done, whether it is good, bad, whether those are your strengths or your weaknesses. If they are your strengths, what you have done to ensure that you build upon that strength. And similarly, the weaknesses, what you have done so that you can overcome those. You must speak about these things. Like, subscribe and share. These videos are meant so that proper guidance is available to everybody. Please share with all your friends so that they also understand the basic and small mistakes when corrected make you a much better prepared person for the SSB. So this is the preparation that you must do. Do watch AFO SOP channel and try to join the privileged batch where I conduct personal interviews. Looking forward. Thank you. Jai Hind.